Replacement doors. Coppell are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. With a wide range of options, including energy-efficient doors, wooden doors, steel doors, and fiberglass doors, Coppell residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Door contractors in Coppell offer expert door installation services to ensure a seamless and professional finish. Door installation in Coppell, Texas, is a crucial service for those seeking to upgrade their entry doors, patio doors, or interior doors. Whether you're interested in French doors, sliding doors, or custom doors, Coppell door contractors provide comprehensive door services to meet your needs. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these professionals ensure that every door installation in Coppell is completed to the highest standards. Coppell door replacement services are vital for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. From door hinges and door locks to door frames and door hardware, Coppell, Texas experts offer comprehensive replacement solutions. Whether you need storm doors or screen doors fixed, Coppell door replacement services ensure your doors remain in top condition. Entry replacement doors. Coppell are a significant aspect of any home's exterior, providing security and aesthetic appeal. With options like steel doors and fiberglass doors, Coppell residents can choose entry doors that offer both durability and style. Door contractors in Coppell specialize in installing and maintaining these doors to ensure they meet the highest standards of quality and security. Patio door replacement in Coppell is a popular service for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. Sliding doors and French doors are excellent choices for patio access, offering both functionality and elegance. Coppell door contractors provide expert installation and replacement services to ensure your patio doors are both beautiful and efficient. French doors in Coppell, Texas, add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Whether used as interior doors or exterior doors, French doors offer a classic look that complements various architectural styles. Coppell door services include the installation and maintenance of these doors, ensuring they remain a stunning feature of your home. Sliding doors in Coppell, Texas, are a versatile option for both interior and exterior applications. Ideal for saving space and providing easy access, sliding doors are a popular choice among Coppell homeowners. Door contractors in Coppell offer expert installation and replacement services to ensure your sliding doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Custom doors in Coppell provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique and personalized entryways. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient doors or wooden doors, Coppell door contractors can design and install custom doors that reflect your style and meet your specific needs. With a focus on quality craftsmanship, Coppell custom doors are a valuable addition to any home. Energy-efficient doors in Coppell are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. With options like fiberglass doors and steel doors, Coppell residents can choose replacement doors Coppell that offer superior insulation and durability. Door contractors in Coppell specialize in installing energy-efficient doors to help you achieve a more sustainable home.